The other side.
Set up a little band down there, have a little concert on the grass. That's a nice vision he did.
Yeah, absolutely.
I saw his house up there.
Oop, I'm gonna get sprinkled. So they rent the wagons?
Yeah.
I said, whew, that's cold. Is that part of the glamping?
Yeah. We got teepees and wagons and pueblos.
Okay. Let's drive up there to the
Okay.
visitor center and see what they got. Yep, I got some work to do. And there's pretty houses up there. Oh, neato. What? Okay. 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 I'm riding the bike, so we'll see if I can do this. Oh, this is so cool. Don't let me drop my phone. Calamity Jane. Black powder. Teepees. There's the crow, bighorn. Oh, sorry, it's so bumpy.
Yeah.
See the little archway right there? You see the covered wagons in it? There goes housekeeping. There goes Jeff. Oh. Oh, somebody must have got a wild party going on up there. What happened? Somebody showing their butt. All right, here we go again. Let's try this. Go to the right. What's up there? Oh, nothing. Parking. Yeah, it's something. They got a hot tub up there. Oop, I lost it there. All right, I can't do two things at once. This is the way we came in, right? And then, so they're gonna build this gas station over here. Or something. Okay. See if I can figure out how to turn around without killing myself. Yeah. Woo! Alright, slow down. Slow down, Nelly. That's the end of this tour. I can't drive and hold them both at the same time.